Here I have TCL 306, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the front camera, tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you can see mirror camera. Just disable this feature and now your front camera photos will be normal, not mirrored. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.